Hello, today I'll take you through the CMS. The CMS basically is the client management system. This is the platform that you'll be working on your day-to-day basis. So each and every day you'll be logging into the client management system with your username and password that you are given during the process of registration that you registered after you registered for the Dreamport training. So you are sent a certain password and a username through your email. So when you get into the live nesting stage of training, at some point you'll be working in the client management system as part of the training. So this will prepare you and equip you with the required knowledge that you'll use to handle the customer. Okay, the demo account will also briefly help you to know what will be expected of you and how generally you'll be handling calls and interacting with your customer. So I'll take you through a video that will highlight everything in the client management system.
Going to discuss the sales agent CMS account. To log in, use the same username and password as for your trainee account. You are already familiar with the CMS page from the trainee account. Now, let's go over the features included in the sales agent account. We will start with the main page. As you can see, it looks almost the same. Let's begin with the top left corner of the page. There are 3 buttons: CMS All, Request, and Statistics. CMS All takes you to the main page you see when logging in. Requests bring you to your currently assigned requests. Statistics has the agent's option, where you can view your stats for any date range. For example, you can check how many requests you handled today, or the profit from your sales, by selecting today's dates or any other time frame. If you check the Show Bonus Count box, you can also see how many requests you've taken from the bonus queue. Returning to the CMS main page, we have the search icon. When you click on it, the exact same filters as in the CMS trainee account will appear. You can filter requests based on criteria like ticket number, PNR, sales ID, client name, phone number, or email address. You can also filter requests by departure city, country, region, or date, as well as destination city, country, region, or date. On the right side of the search button, you will see 4 available queues: active, pending, closed, and bonus. Active is the default queue that opens when you log in. It shows all requests currently assigned to you, which you need to follow up on, respond to, and update as needed. Pending contains requests that need assistance from other departments, such as experts, customer support, or concierge. Closed queue holds requests that you either sold, or manually closed for reasons like purchased elsewhere, or canceled trip. Bonus contains requests originally assigned to other agents, but not followed up. Any agent can take these requests, contact the client, and make the sale. In the top right corner of the CMS main page, several icons are available. Let's go over them. Dreamcraft. This is a platform where you earn points for completing daily tasks. These points can be exchanged for prizes, which you'll learn about later. Sales Split Platform. Here, you can file claims if another agent violated split rules. For example, if a customer mentioned your name, but the agent didn't provide the correct service. Always consult your superior before using this feature. Sandwatch icon. Here you have all active reservations you created, and their expiration times. Clients must pay before the expiration time, or the PNR must be canceled. Calendar. It shows the My Availability option, where you can set your working hours. Select the correct time zone. Then, choose your working hours for each day. For example, if your working hours are from 3 p.m. to 11 p.m. Eastern European Time, click and hold at 3 p.m., then drag to 11 p.m. Or, simply click once and drag the blue box to 11 p.m. Repeat this for each day of work. And once done, click Approve on the left side of the page. We also have the Performance Tracker. This tool monitors your performance, shows your targets, and tracks your progress. You can also access your invoices here. Finally, there are notifications, where you'll find alerts about missed transfers, client messages, or other system notifications. Next, on the right side, there's the BQ dial button. Clicking it will start calling all available requests from the bonus queue. When a client answers, you can simply open their request and assist them. Similarly, the nearby phone icon can change your status in the CMS to ready and starts calling requests left on the website. When a client answers, you can handle their request. At the top right corner, you'll see a button with your nickname and extension. Clicking it lets you check your VoIP status, access agent management, call history, available tools, and wiki, which contains manuals for CMS, GBO, and GDS. You can change preferences, update your password, or log out. On the right side of the main page, there's a communication center bar. Here, you can make calls, send text messages or emails, and access chat platforms like WhatsApp. Use reminders, notes, and notification tools. Now, let's discuss how requests are displayed on the main page. For example, within the queue for price quotes sent, we see 4 requests. Each line represents a different client's request. The first column shows time in queue, which is how long the request has been in its current queue. The second column, last actions, shows when the last follow-up action was made on this request. Local time shows the client's local time, so you know the best time to contact them. Request age is how long ago the request was created. ID refers to the request ID, which is clickable. Clicking it opens detailed client information. Other columns include type, indicates if the client is new, a return customer, or a referral. Client name, displays the client's name as it was registered in CMS request. Request details includes departure date, airport codes, and number of passengers. Agent, shows your nickname because only your assigned requests appear here. PQs, shows the number of price quotes sent. Follow-up rate, tracks how many days you've been following up with the client. BQ status, displays a timer. If it expires, the request moves to the bonus queue. To update the timer, follow up with the client by making calls, leaving voicemails, or sending follow-up emails. Actions, lets you call, email, or schedule reminders for the client. Feedback update, shows a summary of feedback you left for the request. It's clickable to view detailed comments or close the request. That concludes our explanation of the CMS Sales Agent account. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. In this video, we will briefly go over the creation of a new CMS request. After you receive a new customer pop-up on your screen, you will be able to either take the request or transfer the call to another agent in case the client requests it. After you take the request, a new travel request will be created for this customer. Any information that was already provided by the client before, like the phone number, the name, the travel cities, will be registered in the request automatically. In case nothing was provided until now, you will need to register all of that into the request yourself. In every new client request you will have 4 sections. The marketing section. It contains all info related to where we got this customer and the type of request. Whether this is a new incoming call, or someone who left a request on our website. Or maybe this is a client which was referred to us by someone who used our services in the past or someone who would like to exchange his existing ticket. Any relevant info will be obtained by the system and registered here, like the caller's phone number, country, even a link to the flight search result the client did on our website. So in case he has any questions about the promo price he saw, you can simply click that link and open that exact page to answer any questions. The client info section is the one where you register the customer's personal information, like his name, phone number, and email address. Adding the middle name and last name is optional, as well as any additional phone numbers and emails, but if the customer is providing such info, make sure to add all of it here as well, as you will need additional contact info to reach the client in an easier way, and the full name is needed to make a reservation. The flight details section is where you register the trip details for your customer. The departure and destination cities, the dates, number of passengers, and any other info relevant to the trip. And finally, the preferences section. The preferences section divided into 3 parts. Flight preferences, default preferences, rapport section. The flight preferences section will contain trip-related information, such as preferred airline, stopovers, cities to transit, what airline used last time, whether is customer flexible, this client needs a hotel or car rental. The default preferences section will contain the default information we already have now. For example, preferred callback time, name currency, preferred language and a small comment box. The CMS travel request is the place where you enter anything and everything relevant to your client's travel plans. You store and update it here. You will have a travel request for each one of your clients. That way you will never lose or forget important details, and will be able to deliver exceptional service to each and every client. Thank you for watching this video.